The refinery that fuels this entire nation is about to sell shares to the public, and most Nigerians have absolutely no idea it's happening. The Dangote Refinery IPO is coming to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, June or July 2026, and if you're not ready, you will watch this opportunity pass you by in real time. This is Africa's largest refinery. It supplies over 60% of Nigeria's fuel. It is valued at over $20 billion, and it is about to open its doors to everyday investors, people like you and me. But here's the detail that stopped me cold. This refinery exports, which means it earns in foreign currency, which means as a shareholder, your dividends could come in dollars, not naira. Dollars. That is not normal. That is rare, and that window is opening right now. So here's what I need you to do. I'm breaking down the 5 steps to position yourself before this IPO opens. These are not complicated, but you have to start now because the people who wait until the day it drops will be the ones scrambling. Step 1. Open an account with a licensed stockbroker. This is your entry point into the Nigerian stock market. No broker, no access. It's that simple. Go with a broker registered with the SEC. The process takes a few days, so do not wait. Start today. Step 2. Make sure your CSCS account is active. Your stockbroker opens this for you automatically. Think of it as your personal investor ID. It holds all your shares attached to your name alone. Confirm it exists, confirm it's verified. This is the one thing people overlook. Step 3. Start building your investment capital right now. We don't have the official share price yet, but when this opens, you do not want to be the person saying, "Let me find the money first." You don't need millions, but you do need a plan. Show up prepared, not just excited. Step 4. Watch for the official prospectus and only the official prospectus. This document tells you the share price, minimum shares, and subscription dates. It comes from SEC Nigeria and NGX, and I will post it here the moment it drops. Scammers will show up fast. Do not send money to anyone who is not your registered stockbroker. Protect yourself. Step 5. When the IPO opens, subscribe through your stockbroker. That's it. You go to your broker, follow their subscription process, put in your capital, and just like that, you are a shareholder in the Dangote Refinery, the company that fuels this nation. Partly yours. Save this video right now, not later, now. Share it with one person in your life who needs to hear this. Most people will find out about this too late. You don't have to be one of them. I'm dropping a full deep dive soon. Subscribe and turn on notifications. This is Investor Mascot. Let's build wealth the right way.